Good morning everyone, it's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do unboxing this Saramonic Blink 500B3. Again guys, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video upload on my channel. Let's get started! So there you go guys, so again I have this Saramonic Blink 500B3, and again this is compatible for a iPhone or any iOS, and same thing with the iPad. So again we're gonna do unboxing this a beautiful Saramonic. And before that, Saramonic was been I think the release date on this one was on August of this year. So I hope that I really like the Saramonic guys. Basically, I have a Saramonic Blink 500B2 and I really love it. This is the one that I'm using right now. And but because I have some friends in the Philippines and around the world that are using an iPhone or any Android phone, so that's why I do a review on this. I have Saramonic Blink 500B3. So let's get started unboxing this one guys, and I'm so excited. Ooh, nice. So the case guys is really good. It's so hard bound, like the case itself. Again, this is too sharp. There we go. So again, this Saramonic, it comes with the manual. They have the manual here, and they have a pairing pin. Beautiful. And they have this transmitter. Beautiful. And they have a receiver for your iOS or your iPad. Really good. And then the last one, we have here the connectors. So they have here a come on. So they have here the cable, which is the they have here the cable of USB-C to a USB, this connector. Then they have here a lavalier microphone, and it comes with a clip and the foam lavalier. There you go. So it's really good guys. Actually I already have a review of the Saramonic Blink 500B2, and it's almost similar thing, but the only difference, because this is for the iOS, so that's why they have this one, a receiver for the phone. I'm gonna change my setup here to a cell phone so that we can try it, we can test it, the sound of what's the difference between. So again guys, I'm going to use a iPhone XR, which is my phone that I'm using right now, and I'm gonna use connection of this Saramonic, and how it connects is just put it here, bang, and then that's it. We're gonna pair the receiver and the transmitter, and then we're gonna start do the testing using my iPhone XR. So again guys, this is the power key, and then there's a power there will be a power function here, which is, you see the blue, and then on the side here they have a USB-C charging port, and then the microphone. This is the 3.5 millimeter audio output, and it comes with a clip, standard cold shoe mount, and it also has a USB-C charging port. So there you go, guys. So again, I'm using a just my phone without this transmitter and receiver. Okay, so again, I'm gonna put this one in on my phone, and then we're gonna try with or without the microphone. Okay, so I'm using right now with my phone, with my iPhone XR, with that receiver there, and I have a transmitter that I'm using right now. Mic test 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3. This is NoyTebs. Hello, hello to you guys. How's my audio there? Hello, hello to you guys. And now the next step that we're going to do is to put in the microphone, which is to put in the lavalier on the transmitter. Okay, so I have here, and I'm gonna use this one. Mic test 1 2 3. It's NoyTebs here. Hello, hello to you guys. Mic test 1 2 3. This is NoyTebs. So again, we're gonna try what's the difference between. I don't have the microphone. I don't have a Saramonic on my iPhone compared that I have here, and now I'm here in my studio. So, and also we're going to try this outside, and we'll see if what's the difference, the inside and the outside. So again, I would like to say thank you so much, JC Albano, for doing a good job on NoyTebs blog and what's in a box. And again, guys, please don't forget, if you want an intro, if you want anything on your YouTube channel, JC Albano will help you on your intro, the outro, and your banner on your YouTube. Please don't forget to PM JC Albano. Hey guys, so again, I'm here outside of my house, and it's probably about 20 meters away on where my phone is. And right now I'm I'm just trying to check the audio, if what's the difference between the inside and the outside. So again, guys, I really like this microphone. So we're gonna do testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello to you guys. NoyTebs here. So again, guys, I'm just using the microphone, the wireless microphone without the lavalier. I'm holding right now, and we're gonna see if what's the difference between having a lavalier, and then now I'm using without the lavalier. So hello, hello again. Hello, hello, hello to you guys. Hello, hello. This is NoyTebs. Testing 1 2 3. Hello. So again, I'm using my phone without no microphone there. We'll see if you can still hear the audio using just the only microphone on my iPhone. So hello, hello to you guys. I know there's a big difference between no microphone, just only use the iPhone microphone. So there you go, guys. So again, I can highly recommend the Saramonic Blink 500B3, and right now I'm using, and it's a little bit windy right now here, but the audio is still great. The lavalier is still here in my chest, and I have here the transmitter. So again, I'll just hide it there. It's really good, and it's a really great product. And again, you see it, you hear it. What's the difference between I was inside and I'm here outside doing audio test? And this product is also available in the Philippines, and you can also check the Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below where you can find it or where you can buy it. Bloggers that really using their phone. So there's also a product of Saramonic, and now I'm using my iPhone XR, and it's really good audio. I like it. And again, there's another product that you can see in Saramonic Blink 500 series. You're vlogging, and it's so easy to use, easy to pair. It's so lightweight, it's so handy, and it's so perfect product. And thank you so much again, guys, for watching. This is NoyTebs. Have a wonderful day. God bless everyone.